Hello, Gunpla fans. This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio, and today we got here my not so favorite Gundam model from Bandai, Master Grade Verka lines, and this is the Gundam Double Zeta, which came from the Gundam Double Zeta series, the name itself. So why I don't like this kit? Because to be honest, the for me the kit looks so blocky and big with those funny fins attached on the forearms and even the shoulder armor, which this one I really don't like. And the sword, having this kind of sword, it's not a yes for me. But of course, for some, this is a good and one of iconic Gundam that is being shown on TV and being created as a model kit. So we got here this master grade here, and I really don't play with this one because of the joint stiffness that I encountered when I built this kit. But what I did while doing some attachment of decals, I had a time to somehow manipulate and sand those joints, especially in the waist and here on the shoulder, just to make things glide smoothly here compared before that. You know, you will encounter in master grade lines, especially the Verka lines, that most pegs are tight or gets tight after you installed it to certain parts where it should be inserted, and the moment you try to move those parts, you'll feel it's stuck or there's some tightness, which is very scary. If you force things out, you might break those parts there. So what I did is I made some remedy on those parts that I sand, especially the pegs. So let's go first with the appearance of the kit. For me, the kit is this looks blocky and not so dynamic if you put it in the realistic way, but but if you see it in the anime, this shit is so dynamic. Of course, that's an anime, but in realistic life, I doubt. Okay, so there we got this very big booster pack or backpack here, which contains some armaments like the missiles and the giant beam saber handles, which also act as a cannon if you're going to transform the kit. And we got those boosters here, and as you can see in the feet or the legs are really massive and huge like that. So I did put some stickers or Chinese decals there. So don't get confused, we are reviewing a Bandai model kit here, not a bootleg, but because I put some Chinese marks here, now it looks like a bootleg. But anyway, I just add some character on this boring block. Okay, so we'll talk about first the size comparison of this kit. So if we're going to compare it with the traditional Gunpla Gramps, your old RX-78-2. So we got this version 3.0. So the Verka here is, of course, taller than the average master grade Gundam that comes in 18 centimeter height. And if we're going to compare it with some taller master grade, so we got here this Verka narrative. So we got this Gundam narrative here. So this narrative is a bit taller compared with the Verka Double Zeta Gundam. Okay, so let's go. This is the Bandai versions, by the way. So good thing I got the Bandai one in affordable price compared right now that it's a bit expensive. Okay, so let's go with the aspect of the kit. So you can see the for me the head of this kit is nice. It is much better than the Zeta one because the Zeta is actually I don't like the face of Zeta, but this one, good thing they reverted back the original Gundam style head. Okay, so the head is really nice. It can move side to side like that, can shake its head like that, look up and look down like that, and we got this movable fins here, but I will not do that because I don't like breaking things up here. So we got here this I forgot what kind of weapon is this. I don't know the term, but this thing emits some rays and beam, just like the beam from Gundam Versago, something like that. So I don't know the term, by the way, because I haven't watched completely the Double Zeta. Okay, so let's raise this up. So there we go. Let's go with the torso. The torso here is a very delicate one, but it's a bit annoying actually. So there we go. We got this upper chest side to side movement, so it can raise up like that, raise down like that, side to side, left and right. But it's a bit annoying actually. And for the shoulders here, it can rotate 360 degrees, but because of those funnels here or this shoulder armor here, you cannot do so. But if we're going to lift or pull this down like that, we can do nice raise of this. Okay, so for the elbow can bend like that, 180 degree bend there. So there we can bend it like this. And for the wing binders, it's up to you if you want to make it like this or just simply flat like that. I think in the instruction manual it should be bent like this, which I don't like. It's really annoying. And for the forearm can twist like that, 360 degrees. And for the hands, of course, I'm a fan of the Dalin decal hand, so I changed this original stock into the Dalin decal articulated hand. So there we go. He got this articulated hands now with articulated fingers. So here let's raise this up first. Even the gun, I don't like the gun design of this kit. Of course, this is the Zeta design, so we have to bear with that. Okay, so the waist here, you cannot do some hip rotation because it's a bit block based on the design of this kit. You cannot make him twist his waist because it's intended to be that way, but I don't know why this keep on bending like that. Okay, it's bending right ways like that, sideways to the right. Okay, so for the front skirt, the front skirt is a bit stuck, so I haven't made some remedy on the front skirt yet. So the plastic are now cementing to each other. So I don't like twisting this up or pulling this up, but supposedly this is going upward, so I don't like to do so because I might break it. And for the legs, this one is annoying because if you're going to raise the leg, the whole waist section here folds forward, which is very annoying. I don't like it. So you need to grasp or press your thumb over there underneath, underneath the peg here of the hip, and hold securely like this before you try to move those legs. So it can kick forward, by the way, but I cannot raise this up, so I cannot show it to you. But anyway, it can kick forward nice and easy, and it can kick backward that way, but not so high, because you will have this thing here hampering the lower leg. Okay, so there, by the way, it can fold like that, which is very nice. It can fold nearly 180 degrees. So there's so much happening on the feet here, or in the legs, and these flaps here can be pulled down like that, and this part here, the armor here on the feet, can raise up, and the feet also can move up and down like that, can do some sideways movement like that, just like that. And this armor piece here can also move based on the transformation, so it can raise up like that, so it's like a fan. But I don't like, actually I don't like the design of the legs here. It looks so shabby and blocky and funny to me. But anyway, this is Zeta Gundam, double Zeta. So there we go. For the gun, actually the gun is really cool, at the same time funny, because this should be a cockpit turned into a cannon like that. So the thing that moves here is this one. Okay, if you're going to transform it back, okay, and this one, the cannon, like this, can move like that. Okay. And for the backpack here can open like this to reveal those missile pods, those red missile pods there, okay, as you can see. And for the booster, you can move this panel here. Oops. You can move this panel here and make some gimmick like this one, sideways movement of those thruster. Sad to say, I don't like transforming kits. I don't like to do the transformation, so maybe you need to watch other videos. I give you to them, to those who wants transforming their kits. And in this video, there's only the articulation review. Okay, so by the way, the side skirts as well can move it because it's connected by ball joint, but it's also stiff. I'm very afraid of moving it right now. Anyway, there we go. We got this very blocky double Zeta Gundam Verka. Came from Bandai Master Grade. This is a very easy kit to build, but I just don't like the appearance of the kit. To me, it's my preference. So there we go. It's a must build, must buy, and if you're a fan of double Zeta and you like AEUG as I like it, the Anti-Earth Union group, you need to buy this to complete the team, the Gundam team. So thank you so much for watching this review. And if you're asking where did I get those stickers, it's Dalin Beagle Chinese character stickers for your information. So thank you so much. This is Skipperman from Cameraman Gunpla Studio saying goodbye. God bless. Take care.